Yawning might seem simple, but it's a complex process. It actually helps cool down your brain, boosting your alertness. When you yawn, a rush of cool air enters, reducing brain temperature. This helps improve mental efficiency and focus. It's not just about being tired or bored. Yawning is your body's way of keeping your brain sharp. Interestingly, scientists believe it may also enhance social bonding among groups. Next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's way of refreshing itself, ensuring you're ready for the next task. Surprising, isn't it?